see you early. Go in here.
But I gotta get naked.
Don't be naked. Oh, go get your shirt.
Okay, so how do you shower at your Filipino wife's village? Well, it varies. I've done videos before from the CR, you know, how to take a dump, whatever. Usually when I take a dump, I just take a shower. You have some privacy, you have water, what have you, do your business, and then just take a shower, okay? Not to get too graphic, it's pretty simple. But tonight, instead of getting complicated, how are we gonna take a shower? Well, you just saw her. Okay, there's a bucket of water. There's some soap. Everybody's all around, but most Filipinos, when they bathe outside, bathe at the well, they don't take their clothes off. They just wash the pieces and parts inside because it's a community event. Everybody's there washing together. So don't worry, the foreign guy's not going to get naked in front of the whole village, but Fatima is going to hold the camera. I'm going to demonstrate how you take a shower here in your wife's village. Now just leave your shorts on if people are around. Now, if I go back down to the CR, I'm gonna get butt naked because I got privacy. But right now, I don't got privacy. I gotta do it Filipino style. Step one, check your pockets. Make sure you don't have 10,000 pesos in your pocket. That's happened before. Believe it or not, you can take a shower with. I can take a shower with a bottle of water. Believe it or not. Step one, get you some water. Whoa, that's cold. Wow. Woo! Invigoration, my friends. If that don't make your nipples hard, I don't know what will. That's all you gotta do. Step two. Get a bar of soap, go to work. Ain't nobody watching you. They don't give a damn. This is how they wash. You wash your parts, wash your face, wash your head. And I'm gonna put some shampoo up there in a minute, but I'm trying to get that jungle off of me. I gotta get the river off of me.
5 minutes, huwag mong ginakabot 5 minutes, iyang ligo.
Huh?
Wala eh.
Don't forget to wash behind your ears, especially if you're an old dude. You know how they always say wash behind your ears? As a kid, it never meant nothing, but as an old guy, if you don't wash behind your ears, it smells like cheese. Here's a trick to the underarms, especially if you have a towel, okay? You don't go like this because you can't do action at the same time. You use this hand for this underarm. Ready? I'm gonna demonstrate. Like that. If you use this one, you can't do no action. All right, I don't want to waste the water. Like this. That's how you get the soap out from under them creases. I got to keep this family friendly for YouTube, right? But basically, what you do, you go in on the parts like this with the soap. Ain't nobody looking, even if they are, they don't care. This is the culture. You got to come in there, get around like this, get to the backside. Now I'll probably blur that out because YouTube. Okay, come on through, ladies. Come on through. See, this is village life. And what you do, like this. You wash those bits and pieces. Ain't nobody watching. Bring it on around to the back.
You need to faster now because it's too heavy and...
You can't rush a good shower, baby. Yeah, there you go. Just bend down. There you go. Just get on it like that. That's all you got to do. Soap, hand, water, gravity. Come on through. Come on through, ladies. Foreign guy taking a shower here. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Last step. Just take your soap one more time. Just one more quick once over. Make sure it didn't miss any spots. Make sure you got enough water or you're going to be soapy. Get the jungle off. Behind the ears. Oh! Is it a baby goat or a kitten? you run out of water, you got to get your Filipina to go down to the well and bring some more water, or get her brothers to do it. And if it's your first time in the village, you might be, you know, a little, not embarrassed, but you'll be shy about it, right? Not me, okay? It's my family. I've been here for years. If I run out of water, somebody's gonna go get me some water. Okay, going to your wife's village, it's sort of like camping. It's not glamping, it's like camping with electricity. Best way to explain it. Alright, baby, are your arms getting tired of holding that big camera? Yeah? How much longer do you think you could hold it? I mean, being that you're looking at me.
Ginoo ko. Okay. May
makatugkag sa'yo, kanina lang.
nakuha na lang to ting.
Beer.
Ay, ginoo ko.
Ang tuwalya na.
Bay, gibiyaan.
Ate, tara rin yan sa nina.
That's it. That's all you gotta do. I know many of you, most of you, have never taken a shower next to your entire wife's family. Or a goat. Or a pig. Or more than 3 dogs.
Ay, bakit trabaho kay shower
Si Marquitos, matog na sa naro.
Bakit raman dito? Tug na kayo kay na steady ra ba kayo to?
Ladies, let's get serious. I need a rum and coke quickly.
Wala na cook no.
At night in the village, the family hangs out. They hang out outside because it's cooler outside. You got the breeze. Nobody wants to go inside till it's time to sleep. It's time for me to eat. Take some of this beautiful, delicious chicken.
Marquitos, okay ka? Minom ka? Wala po.
Don't be naked out. Don't be naked out.